Keenumbers.
I'm Keenum. Today we're going to learn about division. We're starting off with an easy one. If you have two friends and you have 4 bricks that you want to share evenly among the 2 friends, well, all you gotta do is give them each 2 bricks. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. But what if we have 3 friends and you want to share 6 bricks among 3 friends? 6 bricks, 2, 4, 6, and you have 3 friends. How can you share the bricks so that everybody gets the same amount of bricks? You want to make sure that each person gets 2 bricks. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Hey, what are you doing here, Lego race car? Get out of here. As I was saying, if you have 3 friends and you have 6 bricks, you can share them evenly in such a way that everybody gets 2 Lego bricks. If you have 3 friends and you want to divide 9 bricks among the 3 friends, how can you do that evenly? You give each person 3 bricks. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, check. 1, 2, 3, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Each person gets 3 bricks. What if you have 3 friends, but you have 15 bricks? Whoa. Okay, well, let's start off. We did 3 before. Let's do 3 again and see if that gets all of our bricks. Hezzy says 5. Well, we have some leftovers here, so let's give 1 more to this Lego character, 1 more to this one, another one to Bob over here. We still have 3 left over. Okay, keep sharing. We'll make sure everybody gets the same number of bricks. Hezzy was right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Okay, so we have 5 bricks. Each person gets 5. That means 15. Divide it amongst 3 people. That's equal to 5. Thank you, Hezzy. What if we have 4 friends, and amongst these 4 friends, we want to divide 16 bricks? What's 16 divided by 4? How do we divide 16 bricks among 4 people? Well, let's start off giving each person 3 bricks and see where that leads us. You get 3, you get 3, everybody gets 3, but we still have 4 left over. Wait a second, there are 4 people, so let's make sure everybody gets an extra brick, and let's square up after that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every character gets 4 Lego bricks. So 16 bricks divided amongst 4 people, that's equal to 4. Woohoo! Okay, what if we have 5 people and we want to evenly share 25 bricks? Oh boy, that's a lot of bricks. 25 bricks. We are still missing some. Let's get to 25. Hezzy's saying 5. Well, let's see if he's right. 5 divided by 5 would be 1, right? 5 bricks divided by 5. Yeah, 1, 1. There are 5 ones and 5. Shame, yeah. So Hezzy thinks there's going to be 5 bricks for each person here. 5 bricks. Let's find out if he's right. So far, each person's getting 5. All right, you get 5. You get 5. And this gentleman over here with the firefighting helmet gets 5. Hey, what do you know? I think Hezzy was onto something. Shame, yeah, shame. Everybody's getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my word, I knocked them over. How silly. If you divide 25 bricks among 5 people, you are going to get 5 per person. Hezzy was onto something.
Welcome to the machine.
Oh no, the avocado! This looks much clearer. When you have 5 people and 25 bricks, each person needs to get 5. 25 divided by 5, that's equal to 5. Well, what if we had 5 people and 30 bricks? So now we've got these 25 bricks and we have a bonus 5 bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 bonus bricks and we want to divide them evenly, well, we just need to add them to the current stacks here. You're gonna get an extra brick and you're gonna get an extra brick. Bonus brick for you. Bonus brick for you. Why, thank you. You're welcome. And then we're gonna give you a bonus brick. Oh, so everybody gets 6 bricks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks good. And this person gets 6. That person gets 6. Everybody gets 6. So 30 bricks evenly divided among 5 people is 6. Correct. 30 divided by 5 equals 6.
Division, division, brand new adventures. Division, division, whole new missions. Division, division, no multiplying. Division, division, not addition. Division, division, we're ready to start.
Oh no, the avocado! Do a tough one. How do you divide 3 by 2? This is an odd number, 3, and I want to cut it in half. Yeah, just like the avocado. Oh no, it's the avocado! Oh no! That avocado. Thank you, Hezzy, for saving us from the avocado. So if you have 3 and you want to cut it in half, well, how do we do that? We want to cut it in half. The avocado, he's back! Oh no, the avocado! Get out of here, avocado! It's your fruit and vegetable basket. So let's divide 3 pieces into 2 piles. Yeah! You gotta cut it in half. There we go. 1 and a half. That's half of 3. 1 and a half. Ooh, that's pretty advanced. Let's try another one. What about half of 5? This one's pretty advanced too.
That's 2 and a half.
Hezzy says it's 2 and a half. Let's figure it out. We gotta cut it down the middle. Yeah! There we go. Hezzy was right. 2 and a half. 2 and a half. Half of 5 is 2 and a half. We should do another one. What do you think? Should we do another one? Let's do another one. Hey, I've had a lot of fun doing some division problems with you today. Things like 6 divided by 3 equals 2. We'll do more of these on this channel. Early childhood math, but no snooze fests allowed. If you need additional resources, that's your ticket right there. That website. See you on next week's video. God bless. Of 6. 7. Half of 7. We're gonna cut it in half. Are you ready? Go down the middle. Yeah! Here we go. 3 and a half. 3 and a half. Half of 7 is 3 and a half. 3 and a half. Hey, what's going on here, Lego race car? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, come on now. Here we have 9 bricks. We're gonna cut it in half. Are you ready? Let's cut it in half. Yeah! Whoa, we just cut it in half. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half.
Hey,
no.
I'm Keenumbers. In this episode, we're going to talk about division, and I've seen this video. Thanks, E.
We just cut 9 in half, and we got 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 9 is 4 and a half. That is pretty advanced. What is going on here? Oh, now's the avocado!
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
Hey, I'm Keenum, and in this episode, we're gonna talk about powers of 10. Hey, in this episode, we're gonna talk about powers of 10. Woo! Yeah. Okay, well, we already know some easy ones, like 10. That's an easy one. But what about 100? Ooh, okay, that's got 2 zeros. That would be 10 tens. You might even know about 1,000. And we start putting a comma there to help us when we read that big number. 1,000 is simply, excuse me, I can't speak. 1,000 is simply 10 100s. 1,000. But what if you have 10,000s? That's just, well, 10,000. You might already know these numbers. Again, notice we have a comma here to help us understand how many zeros we have. 4 zeros means 10,000. Whoa! See, numbers keep going. They don't ever stop. Can we illustrate that? Of course we can. So you know numbers like 0, 1, 2, and so on, so forth. They just keep on going. Well, we use this inverted 8-looking symbol to describe a concept called infinity. Infinity is simply the idea that numbers never stop. They just keep getting bigger and bigger. Think about the biggest number you know. Is it 1 million? We'll get to that in a minute. Well, there are numbers bigger than 1 million, like 1,000,001, 1,000,002, 1,000,003, and so on and so forth. Infinity means the numbers never ever stop. Whoa. Okay, so back to the powers of 10. We have 100,000. That means you have 100,000s. 100,000. Whoa. And the numbers just keep getting bigger after that. Okay, we've talked about 100,000. The next power of 10 that we're going to look at is 1 million. 1 million. Whoa! The 1 million is simply... There I go again. I can't say the word simply today. The 1 million is simply 1,000 thousands, or 100 10,000s, or 10 100,000s. That's confusing, isn't it?
One million, 6 zeros, as he loves a 1 million. 1 billion, 9 zeros, greater than 1 million. 1 trillion, 12 zeros, 1,001 billions. 1 quadrillion, 15 zeros, 1,001 trillions. 1 quintillion, 18 zeros, that's a lot of stinking zeros. 1 Google, 100 zeros, not a search engine, don't you know? 1 centillion, 303 zeros, too many zeros, I've got to go. Powers of 10, here we go. Ahora, en español. 1 millón, 6 ceros, se llama 1 millón. Cantamos en español. 1 millón.
And then from a million, they keep getting bigger and bigger. You can have 10 million. Whoa. That is simply just like the name suggests, having 10 millions. 10 million, that's right. And look at that, it's got 7 zeros. That's a big number. The airplane. Then we have 100 million. I think we lost our train. Goodbye, train. 100 million. Whoa. Can it get bigger? You bet. Numbers never stop. They just keep getting bigger and bigger. What's after 100 million in terms of powers of 10? If it has 9 zeros, that is 1 billion with a B. B for billion. 1 billion, 9 zeros. Whoa. And then you can have 10 billion, you can have 100 billion. What if it has 12 zeros? Whoa, I can't even fit it on the paper. Gonna have to do it really small. That is a trillion. It has 12 zeros. Wow, 12 zeros. The 1 trillion. We're gonna have to turn the paper sideways here because it's gonna get complicated otherwise. What if it has, here we go, 15 zeros? Oh my word, so there is a billion. We just talked about the trillion with 12 zeros. What about 15 zeros? That's known as a quadrillion. Oh my word, but we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna do one more. That has 15 zeros. Quadrillion. Oh my word. Quadrillion. I think I said it correctly. 2 L's, quadrillion. 15 zeros. I had so much fun learning about powers of 10 with you. If you want more powers of 10 type content, if you think numbers are fun, then you need to ask your parent, grandparent, whoever you've got in your corner to go ahead and go to that website there and join the newsletter. You get all the amazing action right at your fingertips, on demand. That's the beauty of doing math on video. Catch you next time. God bless. This is a quadrillion, but numbers don't stop. They get bigger and bigger. They just keep on going. So, here we go. We're not gonna quit now. 1 quadrillion, what about 18 zeros? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is known as the quintillion. That is so big. Can you imagine a quintillion donuts? Oh my word, the whole earth would be buried in donuts. And then they keep growing because numbers never stop. They just keep getting bigger and bigger. 1 quintillion and 1. Excuse me, 1 quintillion and 2. 1 quintillion and 3. 1 quintillion and 4. They never stop. They keep on going all the way to infinity. Numbers never ever stop. Wow! Hey, I'm Keenum. In this episode, we're gonna talk about stories or floors. All right, let's talk about stories. And not the kind where you go to bed and you listen to your mom and dad tell you about some cool adventure. We're talking about buildings. This term for a story is simply one way to describe how tall a building is. If it has 1 floor, we say it's a 1-story building. Some of your homes will be a 2-story building. And if you have a basement and an upstairs, that'll be a 3-story building. It could have 3 levels. This could be the first level. This could be the second level, and this could be the 3rd level. So this would be a 3-story building. 1, 2, 3, that's right. Buildings can be very tall. You can have some that are 6 stories. And you can have others that are 10 stories. They come in all shapes and sizes. That's right, buddy. Buildings can be very tall, they can be very short. How tall is the tallest building? The Tower of Dubai is the tallest building in the world, and it has 163 floors for a total height of 2,717 feet. It is in the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, and it is the tallest building and has been the tallest building in the world since 2010. Again, it has 163 floors. Whoa, that's a really tall building. Now, if you say you are on the 4th floor, that means that there are at least 4 stories on that building. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you say you are in a 10-story building, that means that it has 10 floors. You could be on the 1st floor, the 2nd floor, the 3rd floor, the 4th floor, the 5th floor, the 6th floor, the 7th floor, the 8th floor, the 9th floor, or the 10th floor. Likewise, if you say you are in a 6-story building, that means it has 6 floors. You could be on the 1st floor, the 2nd floor, the 3rd floor, the 4th floor, the 5th floor, or the 6th floor. And the more floors it has, the taller the building. The more stories, if you don't want to say floors, that the building has, that means the taller the building is. so much fun talking about tall buildings with you. If you think math is fun, if you talk about math, this is the right channel for you, youngin'. Alright class, you wanna catch more content like this? You need to ask your parent, grandparent, babysitter, Uncle Bob, Pirate Sam, to go on over to that website right there in the corner and join the newsletter. That way you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. We'll catch you next time. God bless. Okay, we've got a very simple illustration here. This right here represents one story. It's one floor. We have a couple of these maple landmark trains parked underneath. That is a, quote, building, haha, that has one floor. Yeah! Okay, but what if we want to have something with 2 floors or 2 stories? Well, we will build it. And as a point of reference, we will have an astronaut. There we go. Now we have an astronaut on the 2nd floor of this building. This is a 2-story building that we made with blocks. A 2-story building.
Mega Kitty! Mega Kitty!
Okay, what about a 3-story building? 3 floors. We need to put somebody in here as a reference. There's an alarm going off. Quick, Hezzy, turn the alarm off. Hurry! Oh no, the alarm lets us know it's time for a 4th floor. We have a 3-story building, let's go one more and make it a 4th floor. Here we go, we're gonna make a 4th floor. It is a 4-story building. Oh my word, it's getting pretty wobbly. Let's put another Lego character here for reference. 1st floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor. This is a 4-story building. Wow, 1st floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor. Hey, Hezzy, look at this. 1st floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor. Okay, I sure hope Mega Kitty doesn't come.
Mega Kitty!
Oh no, here comes Mega Kitty. Oh no, here comes Mega Kitty. Oh no,
Mega Kitty!
Keenumbers.
Hey, we're gonna talk about subtracting multiples of 10 in this video. Okay, we're gonna talk about subtracting multiples of 10 in this episode. What if we have blocks or stacks, columns of 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and all of these are the same length. Every one of them is the same length, so that gives us a lot of latitude here. We can then very confidently start subtracting 10 at a time. Let's illustrate. We might even have our friend Pirate Sam help us out. Yar, har, 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 har. Let's subtract multiples of 10. Yar! Thanks, Pirate Sam, for stopping by. Okay, let's see how many stacks of 10 we have right now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 120. Hezzy was correct. Yar, har, 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 har. We have 120 blocks. Yar! Okay, so if we have 120 blocks, we can go ahead and get rid of some of these. Let's do 120 minus 10. Wow, okay. How many are left over? Well, we had 120. It should be 110.
110.
110, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. Yar, har, 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 har. Okay, how much is left over, Pirate Sam, if you take away a stack of 10? Here you go, Pirate Sam. Pirate Sam took away a stack of 10. So we've got 100 here, and Pirate Sam took away 30. He took away 3 stacks of 10. So 100 minus 30 is 70. Because we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 left over. Thank you, Pirate Sam. Thank you. 70 are left over. Okay, Pirate Sam, we have 100. Take away 20 now, Pirate Sam. Oh, hold on, we're doing multiples of 10. Okay, if Pirate Sam takes away 20, then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 left over. So 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 100 blocks here. Pirate Sam, if we subtract 40, what's left over? Pirate Sam takes 40. Let's see.
60.
Oh, Pirate Sam says 60. Let's find out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We have 60 blocks left over, confirming that 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. Thank you, Pirate Sam. Arr, 60 minus 20.
60 minus 40, 40.
As he says it's 40, let's find out, Pirate Sam. I'll help you out. 60 minus, oh, thank you. No, thank you. 60 minus 20 is 10, 20, 30, 40. 40, yar, Hezzy was right. Because 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 40 plus 20 is 60. No, we don't want to make them into 11s. No, Shay. Yeah, Shay, here you go. If we have 100 blocks, and Baggy and Pirate Sam each take 20, and Hezzy takes 20.
It is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
If everybody takes 20, what's left over, Pirate Sam?
40.
100 minus 20 minus 20 minus 20, that's equal to 40. Hezzy was right. 10, 20, 30, 40. What's going on? Hey, get out of here. Now we have 120. Okay, Pirate Sam, if you take away 30 from 120, what's left over? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 is left over when you take away 30 from 120. Excellent, Pirate Sam. Let's do one more. Pirate Sam, let's say we have 110. If we have 110 and we subtract 40, here you go, Pirate Sam. Take 40. What's left over, Pirate Sam? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 is left over. Hey, what's going on here? What's happening? Hey, what's going on?
Pirate Sam likes to subtract 3 numbers whenever he can. Pirate Sam, fiercest pirate in all the land. Pirate Sam, one-eyed puppet and mustache man. Pirate Sam, negative account balances, he's on the lam. Pirate Sam, what about that Pirate Sam? Sam.
We take away 60, Pirate Sam. Here you go. You want to take those 60? What's left over? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 120 minus 60. Goodbye, 60. That's equal to 60.
Yar, let's subtract 80. Yar, har, har, har.
Okay, Pirate Sam. 20, 30, 40. Wait a second, that's not right. 20, 40, 60, 80. What's left over, Pirate Sam?
Yar, 30 is left over. 10, 20, 30. 3 stacks of 10. Yar, har, 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 har.
Okay, Pirate Sam, here's an easy one. We have 50. What is 50 minus 50?
Yar, har, 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 har. 50 minus 50. That means you just get rid of all of them. Yar, har, 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 har.
Help you out, Pirate Sam.
0. 0.
Oh, how many magnets do we have? Let's do a bonus for the little ones.
Okay, here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12 squares. Yar, har, har, har.
Okay, let's do 12 minus 2.
That sounds like a plan. Take away 2. Very good. Thank you, Maggie. What's left over? 5 and 5. Because 10 and 2 make 12. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Yar, har, 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 har.
Keenum, K-E-E. I think I said it too many times. K-E-E-N-U-M. Can't even spell my own name. Well, that's okay, because this is a math channel. We're doing math for those youngsters who absolutely love numbers. So subscribe to that newsletter, Mom or Dad, and let's grow this so that we can reach children everywhere with math content that they can learn at their own pace. We won't just do things like 90 minus 70, which is 20. Or 150 minus 150, which is 0. We'll cover the full gamut of math for your youngster. Catch you next time. God bless. Okay, we got 50 blocks. We're gonna do 2 more problems. 50 minus 20. 10, 20. That means, wait a second, we had 60 blocks. Rewind. If we have 60 blocks here, 60 blocks, let's take away 20. 60 minus 20, 10, 20. What's left over? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. If we have 40 blocks, and Baggy takes away 40, 40 minus 40 is equal to 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, let's do another easy one for the little ones. Here we go, bonus. Here we go, let's take the green ones away. If we have 10 squares and we take away 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 2, 4, 6. That is what's left over. 2, 4, 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Woohoo!
Yar, 50 minus 30. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20, because you take away 3 stacks. So 50 minus 30 is 20. 10, 20. Each of these stacks has 10. 10, 20. It sure helps to know if we can count by tens. Let's review.
Good idea, Pirate Sam. Let's review counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and a bonus 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Wow, it sure does help to review counting by 10 when we are subtracting powers. Excuse me. Multiples of 10. 120 minus 10, that's 110. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110.
Keenumbers.
In this episode, we're going to talk about inches, feet, and yards. Here we have a tape measure. This tape measure goes from 0 to 72 inches. 0 to 72 inches. That means it covers 6 feet because we are learning in this episode that 12 inches is 1 foot. So, a 6-foot measuring tape covers 72 inches. It's that distance. Show.
Bro, and you're still 72 inches.
I am 72 inches tall. Okay, show the class again how long 72 inches is. Ready, go. 6 feet, 72 inches. Do it again. Ready? Oh, okay. When you're done using the tape measure, you just let it retract.
Okay.
And there you go. Okay,
How much the table is.
let's see how long the fire truck is first. Take your tape measure and extend it from one point to the other.
It's 4th of the 9 inches. It's 18.
It's 18 inches long and half an inch.
It's almost 19.
Almost 19 inches. Okay, so that's about 1.5 feet and a little left over. Hold it there, don't let go. This keyboard is 28.5 inches, as he says. You start at the bottom and you go all the way to the top, and it looks like it is 28.5 inches where the white keys start. Start at the bottom, go to the top. 20.5 inches. You just take your tape measure and extend it like Hezzy did. 20.5? All right. So that's between 1 and 2 feet.
I'm gonna see up the paper.
Now we're gonna do the paper shredder. Now notice the paper shredder is not plugged in. That cord there in the bottom is unplugged. That's how the paper shredder should be so that everything is safe.
It's 21 inches.
Hezzy says it is 21 inches tall. He just used his tape measure and found that it is 21 inches tall. So that's 1 foot and 9 inches because 2 feet would be 24 inches. So it's between 1 foot and 2 feet.
Welcome.
Okay, how long is it?
28 and a
28.5
half.
inches. All right. 29. 29 inches. So it is 2 feet and 5 inches. It is 2 feet and 5 inches. All right, so it's how many inches? 46.5 inches. So it is almost 48 inches, which would be 4 feet tall. Yeah! It is 36 inches or 3 feet because it goes 12, 24, 36. 36 inches is 3 feet. He's measuring from the top of the chest to the bottom. Very good, Hezzy. If you extend it 12 inches, 24 inches, 36 inches, 48 inches, and 60 inches, that's 5 feet. You go to 72 inches, that's 6 feet. All right, show the class how far 6 inches is. Ready? And go. Just don't bonk. Woo! There we go. That was 6 feet or 72 inches. Here are 36 inches. Starts here and goes all the way over there. That's 36 inches or 3 feet. That's 1 yard.
3 feet.
Very good. 3 feet is 1 yard. And in American football, we have a football field where they have to go 100 yards from one end to another. 2 teams fighting over yards, 100 yards. That's American football. So we use yards in North America, specifically in the United States of America, to describe 3 feet at a time. 1 yard is 3 feet. Yeah.
You're not wrong. You're still 6 feet.
How many inches are in 300 feet? Whoa. Well, 1 foot is 12 inches, so 300 feet would be 3,600 inches. That's how long a football field is. 3,600 inches. Good gravy.
I wanna be as tall as a tree, swaying in the breeze, as far as the eye can see. I wanna be as short as a toad, hanging out by the road. I'll grow really low. I wanna be as tall as a tree, 20 or 30, 30 or 40 feet tall. I wanna be as short as a toad, even though I won't grow taller than a 10-inch crow.
Okay, so here's Hezzy's foot. It's roughly at the start of 0 inches, and his foot is just about 6.5 inches. So that's how long 12 inches really gives us some perspective here. Or rather, I should say, to get some perspective on 12 inches, this is how long 12 inches really is. It is twice as much as Hezzy's foot right now, roughly. 12 inches in 1 foot. So that is 2 feet or 24 inches. 2 feet or 24 inches. Here's how you can measure how tall you are at home. Step 1, put your feet right against the wall. Step 2, take your tape measure and hold it to the ground. Make sure you get an adult to help you out here. You can usually tuck it into the trim board. Nope, nope, nope. Stay right there, stay right there. Keep your heels against the trim, and you can use the tape measure, the little hook at the end of the tape measure, you can use that to start your measurement. So step 1, heels against the wall. Step 2, tuck the tape measure in to the trim.
Okay, don't move. Don't move. You can see how tall you are. Okay, Hezzy is about 43 and 7/8 of an inch. 43 and 7/8 of an inch. Hezzy was about 43 and 7/8 of an inch. 43 and 7/8 of an inch. So he's almost 44 inches. 43 and 7/8 of an inch, so almost 44 inches. So he's bigger than 3 feet. Here's 3 feet. 3 feet, and he's smaller than, 48 inches, which is 4 feet.
Smaller than
3 feet. 4 feet.
I'm bigger than 4.
3 feet. 4 feet. He's between the two of these.
In this video! Yay! Yes!
I'm Keenum, K-E-E-N-U-M. That's how you spell my name, and you can find Keenumbers right here at this website or on this channel. We'll talk about miles in a different video. 5,280 feet make up 1 mile. Whoa! If you want more videos like this, hey, subscribe to the newsletter, Mom or Dad. Let's grow this channel together and reach kids with math content that they can learn at their own rate. See you guys next time. God bless. Okay, Hezzy's gonna help me measure and confirm that I'm 6 feet tall, which will invariably stretch the limits of this tape measure.
I can't reach.
I'm gonna have to take over. Oh snap, here we go. Running out of room. Actually, that's the 6 foot marker right there. So as you can see, I am 6 feet on the nose. So step 1 was put your heels against the wall. Step 2 is to put the tape measurer down below. I'm done growing vertically. I might get a bigger belly, which means I will be growing horizontally. But as far as growing vertically goes, I am 6 feet tall, which is how many inches?
72.
72 inches.
Now raise it down.
And here we go. Woo!
Keenumbers. Keenumbers.
Hey, I'm Keenum. We're gonna be talking about ounces in this video. Okay, Shay, we're gonna talk about ounces tonight, Shay. Yeah, we're gonna talk about ounces. You gotta zero the scale out. It says 0 on the scale. This is for ounces, it's for grams. We'll talk about what those are some other time, but for now, we're just gonna do ounces. Let's start with the phone. Okay, let's weigh the phone. We're gonna zero out the unit. Hitting the 0 button, it's in pounds and ounces. That's exactly what we want it to be in. We want it to be pounds and ounces. 16 ounces in a pound. That can't be accurate. You need to have one of these scales on a very firm surface. If you put it just on the carpet, you're not gonna get accurate results. Now that we have it on something a little more stable like this case, we can see that the phone is 7.7 ounces. That just means it's almost 8 ounces, but it's bigger than 7 ounces. Whoa, okay, so the phone is a little more than 7 ounces. What about this Maple Landmark train? This Maple Landmark train is 1.6 ounces, so it's more than 1 ounce, but it's smaller than 2 ounces. 16 ounces in a pound. Let's see about this Ankylosaurus. Womp, womp, wow. He's a lightweight. He's only 1.4 ounces. That's bigger than 1 ounce, but it's smaller than 2 ounces. Here we go. A can of tuna. The can of tuna is 6.3 ounces. It's bigger than 6, but smaller than 7 ounces. That's really still pretty light. It's not quite a pound because a pound is 16 ounces. Let's do chopper 4. Chopper 4 is 0.8 ounces. 0.8 ounces. It's really light. Not even a whole ounce. Ooh, we got another train here. The Maple Landmark dog train. He's 1.2 ounces. He's a little guy. 1.2 ounces, so that's slightly more than 1 ounce. What about this yellow tractor? Whoa, it's 1 ounce on the nose. Exactly 1 ounce. Ooh, a yellow banana. The yellow banana. Up, blocking the view here. The yellow banana. Well, even if it was a green banana, it's still only about 5.6 ounces. It's not even a whole pound. It's not even half a pound, which would be 8 ounces. Banana. All right, what about this astronaut? One small step for man. He is half an ounce. 0.5 ounces. Not even 1 whole ounce. One giant leap for mankind. What about this cop car? The cop car is 3.9 ounces. So that's almost a quarter of a pound because 16 ounces is 1 pound. That's bad English. 16 ounces are 1 pound. This is almost 4 ounces, which would be a quarter of a pound.
30 pounds, 40 pounds, I'm getting bigger now. 50 pounds, 60 pounds, what goes up must come down. 70 pounds, 80 pounds, mass times acceleration. 90 pounds, 100 pounds, weights and multiplication. $16 ounces in a US pound. 2,000 pounds in an American ton. But our friends in Canada, they use the kilogram. 9,000 of those is a metric ton. Are you confused now?
Pair of sunglasses. Pair of sunglasses is almost 1 ounce. It's 0.8 ounces. Almost 1 ounce. It is very light. Sunglasses. The avocado is only 1.1 ounce. He's pretty light too, but he is big and mighty at heart. The avocado. Mega Kitty. Mega Kitty is 4.5 ounces. The can of green beans. Finally, we get somebody that's a pound. So the can of green beans is weighing in at 1 pound and half an ounce. So that's 16 ounces plus half an ounce. 16 and a half ounces. The can of green beans is just a little bit bigger than a pound. 16 and a half ounces. Good job, can of green beans. Let's give it to the can of green beans. What about these crayons? All right, this box of crayons is only 10 ounces and 1/10 of an ounce, 10.1, so just a little bit more than 10 ounces. What about the Maple Landmark tow truck? The Maple Landmark tow... Hey, what's going on here? Oh, the fire truck is 9.0 ounces. It's bigger than most of these other toys we had here. It's bigger than half a pound. Half a pound would be 8 ounces. Well, we already did the can of tuna. The bus is 3.8 ounces. It's almost 4 ounces. The fire truck is 0 pounds and 3.6 ounces. So it's almost a quarter of a pound, because a quarter of a pound would be 4 ounces. The Lego shark is 0.3 ounces. Bigger than 0, but smaller than 1 ounce. Whoa. Hey, if you're looking for more of our content, just search the web, K-E-E-N-U-M, Keenum, and add Keenumbers for our math content. Public education locks students into a very fixed pace, so if your kiddo wants to learn quicker or slower than the public school system would have them learn, you're in the right place. No 2 kids learn math at the same rate, so subscribe to that newsletter. Let's grow this channel and make math accessible and fun for children everywhere. I hope you will join us on next week's video. God bless. This set of keys is 3.5 ounces. That's 3.5 ounces. Bigger than 3, but smaller than 4. 3.5 ounces. There's a wallet. The wallet is. Hey, what's going on, green beans? Get the green beans off there. That wallet is 3.7 ounces, so it's bigger than 3 ounces. Hey, get out of here, green beans. It's bigger than 3 ounces, but smaller than 4 ounces. 3.7 ounces.
These are these 2 cans.
All right, stack the cans. Let's add them together. This is 1 pound and 6.8 ounces. So it's 1 pound and, well, almost 7 ounces. Let's start combining other items. How about 2 trains plus the Ankylosaurus? 3 trains! 4 trains. That's 7.1 ounces. 7.1 ounces. 4 trains, and the Ankylosaurus is 7 pounds and 1/10 of an ounce. Oh, not that can of green beans. It's back. It's the new avocado, the can of green beans, and the can of tuna!
Whoa, it's 1 pound. 13.9 ounces.
1 pound, 13.9 ounces. That's almost 1 pound and 14 ounces. Oh, careful. Uh-oh, the can of green beans has got the train. Watch out, can of green beans. Boom. All right, let's see how heavy Mega Kitty is and a banana. And the can of green beans. Oh, not that can of green beans. Okay, so the can of green beans. Uh-oh, we got the wrong unit on there. We don't want fluid ounces and we don't want milliliters. We want pounds and ounces. This is 1 pound. Hey, what is going on here? Okay, we've got 1 pound. 1 pound. Hey, stop adding things to it. Hey, what's going on here? Okay.
2 pounds and 8 ounces.
Okay, so the can of green beans, the can of tuna, Mega Kitty, and a banana is 2 pounds and 0.8 ounces. Green beans, tuna, Mega Kitty, banana. Hey, put the banana back on there. Let's see how much it weighs all together again. Green beans, tuna, Mega Kitty, banana. 2 pounds and 0.8 ounces.
Flying banana,
Banana, banana, flying banana, 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 flying banana.
Keenumbers.